Hi, I'm Broccoli Rob.
Hi.
Can you say microwave?
Microwave.
Good job. You want to put the broccoli in the microwave and cook it? Wow. Oh, sushi.
Oh, wow. Sushi. Broccoli.
Broccoli.
No.
You're watching yourself eat in the mirror.
Can you cook something in the microwave?
Say microwave.
Microwave.
Yummy sushi.
Yummy sushi.
Mmm.
Yummy. Oh, I think
Oh, that's so nice.
Yummy sushi.
Ooh.
Yummy
Slobber
sushi.
on it. Yummy sauce.
Yummy sauce.
Mmm, good stuff.
Can you cook me some lettuce? Good job.
Good job, Molly's. Microwave.
Microwave. Sushi.
More sushi. All done. Did you get the sushi from Chelsea? Yeah.
Sushi is sassy.
Okay, let's change your diaper.
No, chopper. No.
No choppers.
No chopper.
What are you cooking now? You want to finish eating your broccoli?
It's happy.
Mmm, yummy.